Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add clickable link to Facebook post. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Facebook application. Then tap on what's on your mind bar. Make sure you have copied the link that you want to post. Then paste the link that you have copied. Now delete the text and type in whatever you like. Once you are done, tap on the post button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can add clickable link to Facebook posts. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.